Number 26. Valerie is an editor at a publishing company called Clearwater. Last month, Clearwater held a story writing contest for high school students, and Valerie was one of the judges. The writers of the 5 best stories were each given a prize of $100, and their stories were put on the company's website. Question: what did Valerie do last month? Number 27.
In 2008, Orly Airport in Paris announced an interesting construction project. Engineers plan to use natural hot water from deep underground to heat the airport buildings. They will dig a 1,700-meter deep hole to bring the hot water to the surface. It will then be pumped directly into the airport's heating system. Airport managers hope the project will lower energy costs and be good for the environment.
Question: what will hot water be used for at Orly Airport? Number 28. Madeline works for a marketing company in New York. Last week, she flew to London on business. After she arrived at her hotel, she realized that she had forgotten to bring an important document. Madeline quickly called her office in New York and asked a coworker to fax the document to her hotel. The fax arrived a few minutes later, and the rest of her trip went smoothly. Question: why did Madeline have to call her office in New York? Number 29.
Samantha is a member of the PTA at her son's elementary school. Each year, the PTA makes a calendar of events and activities at the school. A copy of the calendar is sent to all parents. This year, Samantha has been asked to help produce the calendar. She is going to create a design for it on her computer this weekend.
Question: what has Samantha been asked to do? Number 30. The story of how potato chips were invented is an interesting one. One day in 1853, a chef named George Crumb cooked some French fries. A customer in Crumb's restaurant said the fries were too thick to eat. This upset Crumb. To make the customer angry, he made fries that were too thin to eat with a fork. Surprisingly, the customer loved them. These thin fries were later named potato chips. Question: why did George Crumb make very thin French fries?